So, what's up, my people? So, boy speaking here once again with another strong update. So, I've been looking for a long-term update all this while. For those of you guys that knows how we use long-term updates, we don't take it for granted. So, until I come across this particular project, but before then, let's know how to register. First of all you need to do is to first of all make sure that you enter your name, your username of your preferred username. So for this, I'm gonna enter King over here, and then select your phone number. First of all, select the country code of your country. So once you are done selecting it, for me, I'm a Nigerian, so I'm gonna select Nigeria. So once the first thing I have to do is to select Nigeria over here, and then enter my phone number. Then after the phone number, make sure you enter your email address and then select your password that you easily remember, and make sure that there is one particular capital letter there in the password, and then confirm the password and solve the captcha. So once you're done with it, click on sign up, and after the sign up, click on login and enter your details. Then click on this particular place that says sign in. But before starting up, let's talk about which platform is this and how it works. So Monodx is a very easy way, should I say the easiest way, to make your crypto trading order and stay profitable in it. As you can see, this is all the bot base and their partnership. So Monodx is where you can easily make your place trade and never get lost, which they have free bots. You can withdraw your profits anytime and any day. And one particular thing about it is that the more the bot work for you, the more you earn your money. So you don't even need to earn by doing the work yourself. The thing is automated and the bot is working automatically for you. And also you can earn money even not without making your own deposit. You can also make money by referring people. You can also be getting 12% of whatever they are getting in the investment of your referrals. And the asset management thanks to their bot and activating trading system, all assets are managed in the bias of the modern software development and includes all our experience, the software analysis knowledge of the crypto market, and our expertise ensure a steady income for you. That means you don't need to be afraid of losing in a trade or not, because the trade is automated. And again, let me also introduce you guys to the team. So if you go over to the About Us section, according to what it says, who are we? We are a group of developers with many years of experience in the field of crypto assets and programming. Our team have been testing the indicators and strategies in the market of various cryptocurrencies, was engaged in writing software robots and developing new ways to determine technical inputs, and we have found the optimal strategy that includes 32 indicators. Wow! Including such as EFA and ADR and CRSI and so much more, which the benefits of the traders and the users of the platform includes transaction automation, work safety, flexible and simple bot setting system. That means you don't need to have a complicated bot setting, and also easy to start and get the first profit. You don't even need to be a pro to be making money from the platform. Many years of experience and the opportunity to start earning with minimum investment. Monodx key features. You can see it over here. Purchase. You can invest in cryptocurrency regularly over time by scheduling purchase in daily and weekly and monthly buyers. High security, crypto turnings analysis, easy interface. You can also get to their support and licensed organization. And these are the team of people, starting from the CEO to the last person, which is this software tester. These are the people that coordinated themselves and create this particular platform called Monodx. And now let's talk about their robot. As you can see, they have series of robots over here which you can easily select and it can start doing the work for you. So as you can see in the bot rule, they have listed that first of all, the bots are free. To start different bots, you need a different amount in your account and account details, more details in the FAQ. So what you have to do is to first of all select the bot that you need. As you can see, you can easily select this particular one, and it's going to show you how the bot works. Daily profit, up 7 days daily profit, monthly profit, that is alpha plus, and 3 months profit, which is mega plus. You can also select this particular one. As you can see, this particular one doesn't have the 3 hours trading available. So you can also look for the one that have around 3 hours trading profit. As you can see, this particular one have up to 0.44% in 3 hours, and in daily profit is 3%, 7-day profit is 21%, and so much more, guys. You can check out other bots and see how they works and how their profit is gonna be for you. And remember, the longer the bot stays, the bigger the amount, the bigger the profit you make. The longer the bot stays, the bigger the profit you make. As you can see, this particular one can give you up to 6% per day. So every bot have its own activation fee. Remember, but the bot is free, but every robot have its own money to start up with, as in you need to rent the bot your money to start making money for you. So select the bot that is preferable for you and go ahead to use it. You can also go over to the contact us tab to see where you can get to their team, and also you can also go to their partnership in case you want to partner with them and then get affiliates and for your members to start earning with them. You can also see their social media handles, their Discord, their Twitter, their Facebook, their Telegram, their Twitter, and so much more. So once you want to get to the customer service or support or anywhere, you can easily go to them through this contact us section. So before doing any other thing, we have to first of all make deposit. So what you have to do is to click on this particular wallet icon over here. It's going to take you over to your wallet place where you can see your 3 types of wallets. You can see balance, profits, and bonus. So for this particular one, you are going to deposit. So how do you deposit? Just scroll down a bit and select the cryptocurrency of your choice, which you can easily deposit with. So like me, as you can see, I'm having $200 worth of TLC 20 wallet at USDT on my account. So what you have to do is to click on deposit and then select the fiat, which is USD, and enter the amount. So let's enter 200. As you can see, once you enter the amount, it's gonna give you the estimation, and then next thing you have to do is to click on this particular place that says pay, and automatically it will generate a wallet address for you. So once it's done loading up and generating a QR code and wallet address, copy this wallet address over here and head over to where you will deposit. So once you're done depositing, close it up and head back. And remember, the deposit can take some time to land due to the congestion in the network, in the blockchain, and in the trading also. So give it some time. Once you are done depositing, just give it some time and wait for your money to land on your account. So the next thing is to go over to this particular auto trade section where you see the trading, live trading of the platform. So as you can see, you see that right now it's automatically showing us the analysis of Bitcoin in Binance account, in Binance time frame. So as you can see, it's showing us the 1 minute time frame, that 10 minutes time frame. You can also see the 1 hour time frame, so you can also see it. But don't worry, you're not the one doing the trading here, because the bot is the one doing automatically trading for you. So it depends on the amount of bot, the amount of USDT or cryptocurrency that you deposit. Then go over to the bot info and check out the bot that is equivalent and can work with the money you deposit. As you can see, this particular one, the daily profit is up to 1.1%, so you can go ahead and use it. So for me, I'm going to go to auto trade and then select the bot that I want. So what you have to do is to simply click on here and select bot. So for me, I'm gonna select this particular bot and then select the cryptocurrency which we are gonna trade with. So I'm going to trade TLC 20 USDT / Bitcoin. So next thing I have to do is to change the period. Select the period of your choice, and then the next thing is to go ahead and drag it. So next thing you have to do is to click on this particular place that says start, and it's going to ask you to confirm the bot that you want to automate. So if I click on yes now, you will see that it's going to load up a bit, and as you can see now, the trading pair is now active for me. And remember, you don't need to deactivate or stop it, because if you want to stop it, all the trade that it did will automatically stop for you. So for the next 24 hours, it's going to be trading for me with my amount, my account balance in my account. So once after the 24 hours is done, I'm going to activate and continue this video. So as you can see, after 24 hours, I come back to my account. As you can see over here now, there is no live trading doing for me, just like you guys see it yesterday. And if you go over to my history page, you will see that the trade of yesterday, which is 24 hours ago, have been completed. And I also have a notification from the system that my trade my trade profit is now available on my account. So that is, if I go over to my wallet section over here, remember we have three types of wallets. We have the balance, the profits, and the bonus. So if you scroll up a bit now, you see that the profits which I made from yesterday's trade is now available on my account, which I can still withdraw or something. So for withdrawal, all you need to do is to just click on this particular place that says withdraw, and it's going to ask you amount. You can choose to select the amount that you want to withdraw, something like all, and then estimated amount. Remember that the withdrawal fee is going to be 10%. So the next thing you have to do is to enter your address here, and then this withdrawal button is going to show green. Then click on withdraw. So again, another way of earning which is very lucrative is this particular place. If you click on your about me icon over here, you see the setting, partnership, terms and condition, VIP, switch column mode, logout, and so much more. But we are going to click on partnership. Then if you click on partnership, it is going to lead you direct to where you get your own referral link, and then anybody that you refer to them, you also have your own cut on the referral bonus. And that is how the platform works, guys. So what you have to do is to copy out this referral link, go over to your social media handles, anywhere you can get referrals, just like I'm referring you, anywhere you can get referrals, and then do well to invite them. You can also send them this video for them to watch the video and see how it works, or you can easily tell them how it works depending on your own ability to refer. So that is how to refer, guys. For more information on how the platform works, I can also refer you to go ahead and join their Twitter handle and social media handles and follow them. As you can see, I'm also following them now on their Twitter to see more details on the platform. As you can see, this is the software company, location is Europe, link is Monodx, and as you can see, they joined June 2022. So do well to check out their content in their Twitter handle for more details. Lastly, guys, you can also check out their FAQ, that is frequently asked questions, for more information on how to do things in the platform in case you don't want to contact the customer service for it. You can see varieties of things that people will also look and want to know about it. So guys, remember, Monodx is a very long time platform, and that is one thing I love about the platform is the smoothness running of it, how they are transparent in the things that they give, and how the platform works. I love how their robot works automatically. The network does not sometimes shake like other platform, and this platform looks kind good, legit, guys. So I will kind of show you guys. I've shown you guys how to use it, and I expect you guys to also use Monodx to make money or at your own comfortable of your home and invest what you can afford to lose. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys got value from this video, and make sure that to check out the FAQ for more information. As you can see, they have how long does it take customer account to be active and every other thing. So guys, we have come to the end of this long video, and I hope you guys got value from this video. If you have question, you can also check out the question tab on this particular video to ask me as many questions as you can on this particular project, and I will answer you guys because I love this platform, and that is why you guys see me using it. So guys, my name still remains King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.